500 subscribers. The day after. Roll the bumps, Piney. Today I had a nice family picnic and lots of celebrations over the 500 subscribers, and I'm really excited about it. I cannot wait to set the goals to go for that 1K. But there's one thing I can tell you guys for sure, without a shadow of a doubt. I'm gonna work hard every day to produce fantastic vlogs that get better every time, with better storytelling and better imagery and better, more inspiring subject matter. I'm gonna go out and find my adventure, bring it to you guys in an inspiring way, and we're gonna grow together and reach that 1K. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in an hour for the live show.